A woman went to doctor's office for her annual examination. Suddenly, another older doctor noticed her burst out of the examination room, screaming as she ran down the hall. He stopped the hysterical woman and asked her to sit down and relax. Then, he asked her what she was so upset about. A few minutes later, the older doctor marched back to the woman's doctor and demanded, "What's the matter with you? Mrs. Terry is 63 years old, she has 4 grown children and 7 grandchildren, and you told her she was pregnant?" The woman's doctor smiled smugly as he continued to write on his clipboard. "Cured her hiccups though, didn't I?